Hey guys, how's it going today? My name is Richard Torres, and I just want to say thank you for joining the Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp course. This course is designed to help you start making money online and generating different streams of income online through affiliate marketing. So I just want to tell you guys a quick story about myself. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur. I've been working for marketing career for about over a year right now and online using social media such as Facebook and Instagram, for example. And I've been helping a lot of different types of people to start generating income online through the process of affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, watch the next module. It'll explain about what affiliate marketing is and how you make money through affiliate marketing. So I generate over 500 to $1,000+ just by promoting affiliate products. And for this course, I'm going to teach you from A to Z exactly how I did it, guys. All right? So watch the modules, take notes, and I hope you guys have an awesome day today. Okay, guys?